So how we doing this morning, guys? Working on an order here. We got 2 chairs and a bench going on. We got to get 2 tables ready to go with this. A little coffee table and an end table. Once we get it done, it's all getting shipped to Texas. Welcome back. Welcome to lovefurnitureHowTo.com. So anytime you hear the word table, you know what that means, right? It means planer. It means it's time to roll out this bad boy and get to work. Let's go. Of course, if we're going to build a table, we're going to need some wood. Uh-oh. You know what? Sometimes you got to do work before you can go to work. So we got to empty these. They're full. But that's not too much work. We got everything on wheels. We'll get this thing wheeled over here, and then we'll wheel this thing over. Yeah, I'd say it was full. Got a special place we put this right back here in the old sawdust bin. And that's just about all there is to that. Making dunnage. So this is what we're going to be using for spacers when we're ready to get out there and build that order that we just picked up for the Springs Rescue Mission. 1,000 board foot of 2x8 rough saw. And we'll just use these as the dunnage that we set up when it goes to the kiln, and it'll just stay with the load all the way through delivery. We'll cut those down next to 44 inches. Well, it's a start. It's about half of what we need. Get the rest later. Well, let's get back to where we started, huh? The planer. Making a 4-foot coffee table and a 2-foot by 2-foot end table. We're gonna cut this one in half. So it's actually 23 squared up. Okay, so these are gonna go together. See here what I'm doing. I'm going to flare these ends, but it's all based off the center. Okay, there's our coffee table. No, there's our coffee table. This is our end table. Just need to take a minute now, grab our angle grinder and edge both of these. All right, guys, come back tomorrow. We're going to finish these up, get this order ready to ship to Texas. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.